Who is Mr. Beast? Meet the 25-year-old YouTube star who's famous for giving away millions of dollars to strangers and says he's not rich. February 18, 2024. Mr. Beast is one of the most viewed YouTubers thanks to his attention-grabbing stunts. He earns between $600 to $700 million a year but still doesn't consider himself wealthy. See how the 25-year-old leveraged his fame into a globally recognized brand. Sign up to get the inside scoop on today's biggest stories in markets, tech, and business, delivered daily. Read preview. By clicking sign up, you agree to receive marketing emails from Insider as well as other partner offers and accept our terms of service and privacy policy. At 25 years old, Jimmy Donaldson, also known as Mr. Beast, is one of YouTube's most viewed and highest paid creators. His early viral videos included challenging feats, from reading every word in the dictionary to counting from 0 to 100,000 for 40 straight hours, and his ambitious challenges and money giveaways, like curing 1,000 people's blindness, have helped him grow his channel to roughly 240 million subscribers, the most in YouTube's history. He's also an entrepreneur who launched the virtual restaurant brand Mr. Beast Burger in 2020 and a supposedly better-for-you chocolate business called Feastables in 2022. Overall, Mr. Beast's endeavors help him rake in somewhere between $600 to $700 million annually. But the YouTube star still doesn't consider himself to be wealthy. "I'm not naive, maybe one day. But right now, whatever we make, we reinvest," he said in a recent interview. Check out how Mr. Beast rose to fame. Mr. Beast was born as Jimmy Donaldson on May 7, 1998. The YouTube star and his brother, CJ, grew up in eastern North Carolina in the city of Greenville. In 2016, he graduated from Greenville Christian Academy, a private high school in the area, according to Business North Carolina. Donaldson uploaded his first YouTube in February 2012 when he was just 13 years old. Mr. Beast in a video in 2015. Mr. Beast YouTube. The teenager began his YouTube career posting videos under the username MrBeast6000, according to Newsweek. For the first few years, Donaldson attempted, unsuccessfully, to master the YouTube algorithm by creating the content he thought would attract the largest audience. As Mr. Beast attempted to game YouTube's algorithm. Mr. Beast playing Call of Duty on his channel in 2014. Mr. Beast YouTube. The aspiring YouTuber went through stages of trends on his channel, funny compilations of playing Minecraft and Call of Duty, estimating YouTubers' wealth, offering tips and tricks to aspiring creators, and commentating on YouTuber drama, Newsweek reported. Mr. Beast himself made very few appearances in his videos in the early days. Mr. Beast started to gain a following in 2015 and 2016 thanks to his Worst Intros series of videos, which rounded up and poked fun at YouTuber introductions he discovered on the platform. Mr. Beast was on track to YouTube fame in the mid-2010. Mr. Beast YouTube. By mid-2016, Mr. Beast hit 30,000 subscribers. In late 2016, Mr. Beast enrolled in college. But that didn't last long. Mr. Beast YouTube. The YouTuber said he lasted only 2 weeks before he dropped out, telling his mom, "I'd rather be poor than do anything besides YouTube," according to a post on X. His mom made him move out of his childhood home North Carolina at 18.